Namsa entokwa eni basabasa ya ekoso ewo NPP amanyekuo mu nti ene yensa ka party no national organizer ewo yencha ha ye ne no ebetwetwe nkomo yewura John Boadu ne bisa ne se edie pa ena ekoso amanyekuo a wo mo epre enkunimdie sa afimpiemienu eni dunsia wo mo betena Ghana adwaso no edan ena afe wo mo ankasa mumpo wo mo ntumi enya asomdwe ene entiase Ora John ma kwaba eba UTV kasi oboso
mejo so na ho ti san
Erade adama ye beme na yenko mo twetwen so ye bisa se efi afimpiemienu eni dumienu abato a Ghana koto ye ekire ahomanso NPP amanyekuo no menteme ho ase enne metiu makao ede ya pa na ekoso wa amanyekuo ni
yo em se okase enne menteme ho ase o chana menjini se etisa party no is the only party e wo Ghana ha etumi aye elections of its officers right from polling station to national level. CC the akayen any presidential elections are ye be ye August 31st year. Ye wie nipa so afa so mo be contest no. Ye sone so ba nnum na se omu nyina person mo san contest bia October 15th year ye election ni ye nya flag bearer party bia ni Ghana ha wetumi ayesa. On dem che no. Nipa da seni die de tibia no ye nipa die mfonso wo nipa ho nipa bi obi be ye bi obi nti ase ne niama eno mo de wo ho a ewo ho de bia se de wo kana enra am se general secretary ne chairman na o say o mo ye press conference na am se nti ase amba minjini se obetumi eyusu eno aka se party no na nti ase enim. Yes, nyama bi kokoko so fitifi ada no yet say general secretary issue statement or your appointment of people being co-leave ni me gidi say party membra na sibiet no oni sa kwan na say obeyesa because party no ahoode na nkasa gina steering committee so members of the steering committee ni national officers of the party nyina we share page 50 of our constitution and no kire say the daily management of the party na steering committee na say nipa 10 15 no omo nyina ntumi ye judicial constitution my san ka say I was see enya national secretariat sa national secretariat no general secretary na head of the national secretariat na sa na say oye head di na chese eti nkwa nante na also nyankofo ebeboa no out of 10 11 steering committee members no me as national organizer na me ka no be catch the national secretariat consists of the general secretary, the national organizer, some directors and I dey run a party on a daily basis. I report to a steering committee, steering committee meetings. When they channel the amana banasa and say 50 time a year national council about 2 months in about your constitution kase daily management of the party no a steering committee ejuma you represent steering committee by the general secretary and the national organizer. You meeting you.